Today from 73 Avenue, we bring to you the advantage of living at the center of the city, along with a plethora of world-class amenities to take your lifestyle to the next level. Watch this amazing tour and see how this investment can be a right fit for you and for your future. So the unit we are visiting today is located smack bang in the center of the city. Now we all know Union Place is a place where all the hustle and the bustle of the city takes place, and here this project is located right there. The beauty of this project, as much as it gives you that accessibility, the convenience to ideally your workspace that is located probably in and around the corner. Now I'm here in the living room and I'm on a 1650 square feet unit, and the advantage of this living room is very special because it has two balconies on either side with sliding doors that gives this space a lot of coziness, a lot of breeze, and makes that extra special aspect when you're living and hosting people. This is your kitchen space, very spacious. I really like the fact that the cabinetry is on either side. The aisle here gives so much more space, so much more freedom to just run about and get preparing your meals. You have a lot of space. I just love this oak finish. It gives a very nice, rich vibrance to this whole kitchen. You have your service entrance on this side along with your domestic quarters, a washroom and a room, and ample space for your washing machine. So we have 3 bedrooms in this layout. We have a guest bedroom on the far right with a common washroom, but we have 2 bedrooms here, the primary suite and the secondary suite, and both have attached washroom, which is great. It's very rare you get apartments or condos in the middle of the city that give you the advantage of 2 en-suite washrooms, and that is an advantage this unit has. So come, let's take a look at this. So this is your secondary suite, and oh my god, wow, just look at this aspect of nature, the vibrance of the city just coming to life right in front of your eyes. You have the ocean over there. You have, this is something that we actually take for granted, especially in our country, the fact that we are blessed with a lot of green. I have direct view of the Vihara Mahadevi Park. So the master suite. So here you have your attached washroom, very spacious, and then you come to your living space. I personally like the secondary suite over the primary suite predominantly because of the view, but this view is also second to none because you have direct ocean views, you have gorgeous partial park views, but you have the vibrant city, the metropolitan city, which is up and coming right in front of you. So this is it, 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, a private domestic quarters with a washroom, separate access, a living room that gives you an advantage of 2 terraces on either side. So 2 amazing aspects of the view. You have a lovely mountain, city, lush green view, plus you have the bustling city with the ocean views and all the activity right in front of your eyes. Now this unit is 1650 square feet, amazing living experience right in the heart of the city. If you want to get more information with regards to the price or set a private viewing, get in touch with 73 Avenue or contact the number that's right below. We are 73 Avenue Realtors. If you haven't liked, subscribe, hit the bell button, hit the subscribe button so you can get all our really cool updates and see what we are doing to revolutionize the real estate market in the country. And I look forward to seeing you at our next video.